I'm with Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts, and we're just going to show a Vingachiva, the Vingachiva setup from Capoeira. We're not going to do that full move, we'll get into that later, but we're going to show the headbutt version of Vingachiva. So classic Vingachiva is, especially if he's like crossing, I weave out and I'm actually elbowing and tipping him over here, okay? And it's a strike at the same time with throwing my hip forward. But we're gonna have him back up. So he's striking, I'm here, and now my head comes right in. Make sense? So I'm pushing the side of my head, the hard part of my head. So without Troy here, it's right in. You wanna put your hands up?
Yeah, I'll put my hands up.
So when I'm here, that's where it's at. And that's all it is, and that sends him back. Notice how I'm covered from knee strikes, and he can't get my back here because I'm behind him. I'm not worried about him looping around behind my back. That's the concept of this. But if he just backs up, I'm following with a headbutt, here to here. And I'm actually raising up using the side of my head. I'm here, and we're tipping him over. If that misses, I just follow up with a headbutt.